At this time, I'd like to show you how to create a parts purchase order directly from an invoice or a service repair order. So I'll start on the Parts and Service tab, and for my example, I'm going to go to a new invoice. I'm going to add in our customer name and the part. Now this works very similar if you were working with a service repair order, and when you place the part number in the part field, you may receive a pop-up message indicating that you are out of stock or low in stock if you have that system rule turned on in your database. So I'm indicating that this particular part is out of stock, so I am going to order. In order to do so, I'd like to add to the PO, which there is a checkbox here for you to mark. You then have the option to add that to a new PO or to add to an existing PO. I'm going to add to a new PO. And you'll see some of the information that's automatically displaying along with the vendor name. I will need to tab out of that field in order to display the phone and or fax number. The status has been placed into a pending status, and the order type now shows special order. I'll double click to add in the order place date, and then I'd like to scroll to the right and show you how my customer's name is displayed here along with either the invoice or the repair order number, indicating this is a special order for the customer. We'll go ahead and save. I'm going to reopen the parts invoice to show you here how, if you scroll to the right, you will also now be able to see the PO number that this part has been added to. And once that part is received, the check mark will display here in this column. All right, so we'll need to receive that part whenever it is received. We'll do so by going to the Parts and Service tab and then click Receive POs. We'll search for the purchase order that's being received. Here is the sealant. I ordered one. I received one. And then I'll click Receive Items. Okay. Now when I go back to that invoice, you'll see that that check mark does display that this part has been received.